I'm going to teach you 50 different collocations, and if you don't know what is collocations, those are words or phrases that are frequently used with other words or phrases. There are many different types of collocations. You can have verbs, nouns, collocation. You can have adjective, nouns, collocations. Today lessons, I want to talk to you about adverb collocations. The idea again is not for you to memorize every single one of words. I think many already be familiar with many of them. So a lot of it will be review, but it's just getting that exposure so that you know which is words go together. So let's begin with the adverb strongly. This is often used to emphasize. Some of more common ones would be well. You could strongly condemn that you really are upset with someone. If you might strongly condemn them for doing this thing, or perhaps you could strongly disagree with someone. It's not just your normal level if. Just your normal level of disagreement. You want to emphasize that you say that you strongly disagree. You could also strongly suggest something that you want to make sure that this person will probably do what you are telling them to do. So you may strongly suggest something. If you want to add a little more to it and really kind of tell them, look at this is when you should do, then you might strongly recommended something, suggest and recommended. They're pretty similar, but I think recommended has that extra little, like, well, this is what I think you should do. So you could strongly suggest something. But if that person doesn't listen, and then you might strongly recommend it. You could also strongly support someone. If you want to show an increased level of support, you would strongly support them. And if you want to show an increased level of support, you would strongly support them. Alright, the next adverb is fully. This adverb is kind of just like talking about something that is complete. For example, you could say that you are fully aware. That you are fully aware. You could say that that you know everything that's going on around you. You are fully aware of some situations. For example, I could say that I am fully aware that you are not going to memorize all of these collocations. But in that case, I strongly suggest that you keep practicing, that maybe you rewatch these lessons again, because that's just going to help you to build your vocabulary. Say that a person, if you are describing them, they are fully awake, they are completely awake, but you want to say they are fully awake. I hope that you guys are fully awake right now. As you are watching these lessons, you will also usefully to say that something